guys, so long time since I've done a sit down little stitchy of a video, but today I've got an Ikea haul and I've got, well, if you haven't watched my last video, highly recommend you do, because I have been doing shopping for my new flat and I have been to Ikea more times than this, and I actually have my bed, which I'll show you a picture of now, my bed, and which I can't remember the name, but it's like the one a lot of people have, and the Kallax 4x4 unit as well was ordered and delivered, so brought those, but I have been buying other stuff throughout the run-up to getting a flat as well. So this isn't everything that I've brought in Ikea for my flat, and when everything is set up I will do a proper flat tour, maybe like a separate kitchen tour or stuff like that. But this is stuff from 2 recent trips. I believe some of the stuff I have taken out of here as well. Like this is the first trip. That's not. Receipts are with my in my wallet, but there was more stuff than this, I know, that I brought. This was last week. This another bag here was the weekend before. Oh no, the weekend just gone. But got too big of the whatever those bags are called. Do they have a name? They don't. Just, you know, the Ikea blue bags. And I'll just go through them. So I got this, which is the girly. It's a throw. I've already got a big soft yellow throw over there from B&M. And I didn't do homeware hauls or anything all the way through buying all of this stuff, because I was buying bits here and there as I saw them, and I didn't want to jinx anything, because the sale might have fell through. But anyway, this is the girly. I know this is about, it's either £6 or £9. It's fairly soft. It's not as soft as that throw over there, which was more expensive than that actually. Because I was reluctant to pay this. But this is 1.2 metres by 1.8 metres. So there's that. And then I've just got a shed load of frames in here, because behind my bed I want to do a gallery wall. And there was lots of cheap frames. This isn't from Ikea, this was from a trip from ABBA. But, so, let's go through. All these frames were under a lot of rustling. These frames were cheap. I think these ones are 75p, 4x6, which is a standard photo size. And then 5x7, I don't know how much they are. But I got black ones, because my theme is grey, yellow and teal. However, white and black are also prominent colours as well, because yeah, my gallery wall is going to be black, white and tealy colour. Although I only buy one white picture frame apparently. But yeah, I bought 3 5x7s in white, teal and black. I bought another black 5x7 as well. I bought 2 4x6s in black and teal. I just saw all of these and was like, I'm just going to get them now, because I know my luck, they won't be there next time I go for some reason. Then I bought an 8.5 by 11.75 inches, that is. This is 21 by 30 centimetres. Black one, and I bought that in teal as well. And then I bought one large black one, which is in 30 by 40 centimetres, so like that. And I know what I want to put in this one. I planned that already. I want to put my New York picture in there. So yeah, those are all the frames I bought. I have no idea what the gallery wall is going to look like. I want to put this on there as well, but not in a frame. Does it say what size this is? Would it be able to fit in like that, but would I really want to do that. Would it be able to fit in one of these? No. So their options we have. And because I brought a Kallax, a big Kallax, I've had a Kallax before, I brought some of the, whatever that says, storage boxes. They've gone up to £3 instead of £2.75. But I bought those in grey. I have 2 already in grey, bought 2 more. Have already got loads in white, so I didn't need to buy any more white. But I also bought 2 more in a tealy colour, which I've already got 2, so I've got 4 of each. And then I bought, which might become redundant as we go on later on in the video, because once I put my bed in, there's a bit of the bed frame that cuts off one of the shelves that's accessible. So the bed frame, you can't get to the bottom shelf, which I knew was going to happen. The second shelf up, there's like probably that much you can't get to, but I'm not sure what we're going to do. I might just stack stuff there, or I might put boxes there and I'll just have to try and get them out. But one of them on like the second row up, the one closest to the, like, my head of the bed, because the bed frame's a bit angled, like the headboard bit, it cuts off too much. So there's something else that I bought. But I think I bought these before, this bag, before I got my bed. But I bought these, which were £8. I bought 2 of them. They're the same concept as the boxes, the Drona. But these have got 2 drawers in instead. And these are called Falara or something. There you go. So I bought those. Moving on to the next bag. So I can't remember how much these were, but I bought 2 pillow cushions. These are just inner. These were the cheap ones. They're either £2 or £3. I have 2 of those because I bought, because I haven't got a grey pillow. I've got a yellow pillow and a teal pillow. I wanted a grey pillow, and this was super soft. There's the name. I'm not pronouncing that. And then I also bought this cushion because I just really like the black and white stripe. This might go on my bed rather than on like the sofa and stuff that I'm buying, and that's called that. So go ahead and figure that out for yourselves. I bought these, which are 3 Ikea 365s, which are like lids of, you can use them as lids of the glass boxes to make them lids of boxes, or you can use them as little chopping boards. I have already got a set of wooden bamboo chopping boards by Russell Hobbs, but I'm so uptight about ruining stuff. But I bought these as like my just knives can go across these don't matter. They were like £2 kind of thing. Then I bought these, which are free heat. These are to put your pans on after you have them on the hob. I bought these because my friend, these were like £2, they're cork. My friend pointed out that my worktop is plastic, and putting a hot pan on plastic, not good. Because I'm kind of spoilt here because we've got granite, and you can kind of do that with granite at my parents'. So I've already got the standard glasses from Ikea, you know, the ones that look like milkshake glasses. I've got them in the plain, like the normal clear that you get. I've got them in teal as well. I've got 4 teal, 2 clear to make 6. But then I also bought these because I wanted like wine glasses, but I don't want traditional wine glasses because I want to be like extra. But I saw other people using these as wine glasses. These are they cost £6 I remember for the 4, which is quite expensive considering the milkshake glasses are 50p each and then 75p each for the teal ones. But these are teal. And they look like, can you see they're kind of angled, so they're like a wine glass, but without the stem, which I really liked. They didn't have any of the white ones, and these were the only teal ones that they had in my Ikea on thing. All the others were like frosted black, which I didn't want. I didn't even know they did them in teal, and I'm glad that I got them in teal. You can kind of see the shape there, if I kind of, there you see. I'm going to use them as wine glasses, or just like regular glasses. I then brought one of these because, really handily, my big plates that are also from Ikea and are also teal do not fit in my like the above drawer cupboards in the kitchen, but I had to put them in the ones that are attached to the floor rather than attached to the wall. So at the moment my big plates are underneath my little plates without, so you have to get a big plate out, you'd have to lift off all the little plates, and I've got a set of 6 of each thing, so 6 bowls, 6 little plates, 6 big plates. So I bought one of these. I can't remember how much it is, like £2, £3, something like that, and it's like a shelf to put within your cupboard, and hopefully the big plates fit underneath, otherwise I don't know what I'm going to do. I didn't measure because they weren't in the measure, they weren't with the plates, so you couldn't really measure it. But then I bought a laundry bag, and I really wasn't sure what I wanted to do with my laundry, with a laundry bag. The bathroom I have is big, and there's a lot of floor space, but it's not very usable. It's a lot of wasted space. So I just bought a fabric one. It's got a handle here, and it's just like that big. It's called, but it's quite narrow though. It's called that. So if you want to do anything with that, it's called that there. I might put it in my wardrobe. We'll see how it goes. It depends how big the next thing is, which is quite heavy. It's like a piece of furniture. And this was £10, and I've got built-in wardrobes in my place. Again, go look at my last video if you want to see what the situ is. But I'm planning on putting this in my wardrobe. It doesn't look like anything now, but you can see the picture there. It's like metal drawers. That's the name of it if you want to have a look it up. And that was £10, which I thought was really good, because I've got plastic drawers in my current wardrobe and they're rubbish. I hate them. Oh, and then these are heavy. I bought 2 of these. I don't know why they're so heavy. These are just what I was telling you about. These go in Kallax, and they look like this. They're basically shelves, and you just slot them in, and they're really good. So I bought 2 of those. These are £6.75, but that's because I'm a IKEA family member. They are normally £9. So I got like £3 off, so £6-ish off in total, so that's really good. So yeah, that's my IKEA haul of stuff. Quite a long video, but hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know, I kind of buy stuff here and there, and I just want to get it to my flat and put it in. I haven't got a sofa yet, and I know what sofa I want to get, but I'm not getting the sofa until after the broadband man comes, because the broadband, like the telephone cable box thing, is behind where my bed is currently. So I've got my bed built and I've got the Kallax thing built, but I'm not moving in until that's all done, so I can just move it out, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I have to do that. I can't just do my fingers like that, I have to do that. Fingers crossed, the broadband man does not have to drill through the wall, because if he has to drill through the wall, I probably won't be able to do that because of the leasing agreements and stuff. So I might just have to get unlimited data on my phone and use it as a personal hotspot. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Hopefully he doesn't, and he can just use the box that's there, because my phone line is not compatible or whatever. But yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's been a long time. I've talked a lot, but I'm back. It's just been a lot happening with the flat and stuff recently, so that's why I've not really been making videos. But I'm here and hopefully back. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not already, please subscribe. If you're not already following on my home Instagram, separate one, newsflash, hello, you need to go do that. It's called Home in a Studio. Just type that into Insta and you'll find it. Follow, that's where you'll get the up-to-the-minute updates, kind of, but I haven't really been in the mood to like Insta story stuff all the time, so I haven't really been doing that. But like when I've been going shopping and stuff for stuff, I've been like showing you the updates on that, but hopefully I'll be showing you the progress as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!